Happy Sunday, Toppers family! It's time again for my top 5 fitted hats of the week from Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA. And this Sunday I was super excited when I came to the studio because this is always the day where it's slow, not noisy, and I can take my time and really go all through all of these hats that we dropped over the week and take my time and pick out those top 5 fitted hats of the week for both stores. And without further ado, I would like to go into this and show and start with my 5th place this week. And boy oh boy, I really like to be back at NCAA hats, and it's so great that we can release them at Topperzstore USA. Alabama Crimson Tide, and look at this beautiful logo in the front. Those metallics, they hit in differently with this beautiful red black two-tone, and then you got this super silvered out Alabama Crimson Tide logo on the side and also on the back. Super shiny, but at the same time super clean. This is my 5th place this week from Topperzstore USA. My 4th place this week goes to, so I wanted to pick out one of the kickoff hats, and it was tough just to select one, but all of them, I really like all of them. But if I have to pick the best one, it's this one. My 4th place this week, Gray UV White Guts. Make it really nice. This is a really nice vintage look. The Los Angeles Rams, and as you can already see, we used 2 colors, the yellow and the gold. And then you got this bold and beautiful looking NFL Kickoff 93 side patch, and this looks amazing. You will love this when you have this hat in hand. It looks really gorgeous. And then you got the NFL vintage shield on the back, the Los Angeles Rams. My 4th place this week from Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA. And you guys know I like to make all those experiments, and you can expect much more over the next weeks, because we really try to push and try new things like we always did. But this thing, and I'm super glad that New Era had this logo available, chain stitch with the upside down script, and this is crazy. It looks absolutely crazy. And the best thing is if you're using the chain stitch and then adding metallics to it, and this Pittsburgh Pirates is beautiful. It looks like small stones on there. They are super shiny. We got the Free River Stadium side patch, and we took a very long time for making this side patch looking like this. And if you're turning it around, you can see those different shines from all those angles. And on the back, you also got a metallized Cooperstown Batterman. Beautiful Gray UV Black Guts. My 3rd place this week. So when it comes to hockey hats, I'm all in. When it comes to Realtree hats, I'm all in. When it comes to my favorite hockey team, the Detroit Red Wings, combined with Realtree, oh my god, this is crazy. And maybe you're wondering why it's not my 1st place, because there was one hat that I had to put over that, but it's still a fantastic, beautiful hat. It could be easily the 1st place. And this is the Detroit Red Wings Realtree with the fully metallized Red Wings logo in the front with metallic gold and metallic copper, and this thing is shiny like crazy. The perfect match for the Realtree. Then you got the Stanley Cup 2008 side patch, and on the back you got this beautiful NHL shield also in copper and gold. The Detroit Red Wings Realtree, my 2nd place this week. So, and I was shocked when I opened up the box from the warehouse when we got in this hat. And I know you guys like those fire logos, and I really like them too. And this thing is clean, but at the same time, it's amazing. Look at this beautiful hat. The Houston Astros, and this is something different. You have to take a look at this metallic red background. So we did a lot of testing. What colors do we want to use? Do we want to use a metallic red in here, the special yellow, make the star black with the golden outline? And look at this beautiful side patch. I mean, This hits really, really different. All black, inaugural season 2000. And on the back, you also have the star, gray UV, black guts. This is my first place of this week from Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA. Let me know in the comments below what were your top 3 fitted hats, or do you agree with my selection, or did you choose something different? Also, let me know what you would like to see next at Topperzstore. And one more important thing, if you like the channel, the content that we are making here, please hit the subscribe button. It's totally free and you can join the greatest hat community on this planet, the Topperzstore family. And if you like the video, of course, also hit the like button. So, I would like to thank you very much for tuning in again, and I hope to see you guys tomorrow in our live stream when I'm showing off all the new fitted hats that are dropping this week at Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA. I hope you can enjoy the rest of your Sunday. I will do that now, and I'm out. Thank you for watching. Bye.